This is Rod and I'm Tammy, and this is our bus. We don't have a name yet, but we're hoping it'll come to us during Skoolie Palooza. Would you like to see inside? So we're still in the middle of the build. We bought the bus August 23rd of 2019, and our goal was to get as far as we could just to make it to Skoolie Palooza. So this is a temporary futon. We plan to put in the couch that pulls out to a bed. We plan to make a dinette with a couple bench seats. Our fireplace will go here. If you notice, the bus came with these. We decided to keep them to add something a little different. We didn't take them out. We've had these cabinets, so we finally put them to good use. I had made these just for up here for some insulation curtains. There's an emergency door back here. Here will be our kitchen sink, which we brought. My husband's supposed to be getting that in and doing the plumbing, but we'll see how that works. Our stove was on order and didn't show up in time. Things happen.
Yep.
We have our fridge. It is not hooked up. We're just using it as kind of a cabinet to store stuff in it. We have a spot for a washer dryer combo. We have it at home, we just didn't bring it. And back here is our bathroom with our composting toilet. And if you notice our sign back there, don't forget to churn. So that's our little bathroom.
Probably a bad name for the bus.
Oh, don't forget to churn. This is our shower. It's also not plumbed, but worked for me this morning. This is my closet. You'll notice it's bigger than his closet that's over here. And then we have our water storage. What else is under there? A heater that came with the bus. That's it that's under there.
More storage.
Yeah. And we've made storage underneath the foot landings right there. So we still have some walls and flooring to put in, but we're getting there.
One step at a time.
Yeah. I mean, it's only been, what, six months?
It's going to be a beautiful bus.
Yes. Yes, we hope so.
Thank you for the tour.
Thank you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great Skoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another Skoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.